Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Din Cuisine. Today I'm going to introduce you to a very exquisite Bengali vegetable dish which will be prepared by my niece, who prepares the most amazing vegetable bhaji.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to be making my vegetable bhaji. I'm going to be using 2 medium white onions, 6 green chilies, turmeric, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of mild curry powder, methi, dry methi, and pasparam, which is 5 spices in Bengali. I'm going to be making my vegetable with sunflower oil and tomatoes right at the end, and these are my vegetables, which are mixed vegetables. Now I'm going to add oil to a dry pan. Onions, I'm just going to add salt to my onions. Just wait for the onion to get golden brown, then I'm going to add the rest of my spice. Now I'm going to add my pasparam to the onions and leave it in for another 2 minutes. Add turmeric to the onions and pasparam and curry powder. We just added all the vegetables to our onions. A very good stir. 5 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to stir the vegetable so it doesn't stick at the bottom. After 10 minutes on high heat, reduce the flame to medium to low heat. Now I'm just going to add the rest of the ingredients, which is dry methi, green chilies and tomatoes.
Thank you for watching this show. Hope you enjoyed our cooking experience. And please like and share and subscribe. And don't forget to visit our dinrelief.org.